Check my vitals, check my peace of mind. Cause I tried, but missed the next direction. Blind to switching lights. All of my idols, all of my life I tried to outshine. Now my life's been turning dim and now I'm losing sight. Yeah, but he opened my eyes, and then I saw the true light. So what did I do the wrong instead of right? But it all changed when I just followed Christ. Why did I mind what else would like? Life took me back, took me by surprise. I stand in time, light in others' eyes. Oh, but my God refines, my look, yeah, refines. Tell me why? I was a slave to the cause. God is right by me when the flow's so sick. Call CBC, run the check on me like PPP. And you can't believe how big my faith is. Bigger than a mustard seed. When you plant that tree, gotta water it up so you see that green. But it don't mean anything if you don't give it some time. You gotta let it see the light. When nothing grows until it breaks through the surface, right? Let Christ change your heart and give him time. Jesus, you opened my eyes, and then I saw the true light. So why did I do the wrong instead of right? It all changed when I just followed Christ. Whoa, so tell me why? Why did I mind what else would like?